What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Fantom, guys. It's continued to explode. It's reached our next price target here. So we're getting into the analysis. Currently we're sitting at $2.48. We're up 24% on the day, guys. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.12 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.95 billion. Guys, I've been absolutely crushing it trading Fantom on Bybit in these last 2 weeks. I've made some juicy profits along with members of my Discord. If you want to trade Fantom with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit and grab your $50 in bonuses just for depositing within the first 48 hours. You can check out my full link tutorial and receive up to $600 in bonuses. So guys, we came back down. So I talked about us retesting 186, and that's exactly what happened here. We came back down, we retested this swing high, we found support on the EMAs, and we saw our continuation all the way up to $2.34, which is the 1.272 extension. And we're seeing some continuation here. So your next price target is at the 1.414 at $2.60 for Fantom. It's continuing to pump here. We're holding the EMAs. We're still having our bearish divergence on the hourly. I do think Fantom will see a pullback eventually here. We're getting a bit overextended on the 4-hour time frame. If we come over to the 4-hour, you can see we've broken away from the EMAs quite a bit here. So it would be healthy for us to see some pullback, but that doesn't mean we won't go up to $2.60 first. But we are getting extremely overbought here. You can see here on the 4-hour chart, the RSI is all the way up at 85. So eventually we will see some pullback. We will see some consolidation. If we were to hold $2.34 as support, that would be an incredible sign of strength. Even if we come back down to the EMAs, Fantom is just looking so strong. The bulls are really stepping up and have just been crushing it along with members of the Discord. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts, posting profits, talking all things crypto. Guys, it's the price of a coffee. Great way to stay ahead of the game. You can sign up through the Patreon. So let's get back into Fantom here. So we are quite a bit overextended, guys. Your next target is $2.60. But we are quite overbought and we are seeing that bearish divergence. So if we do see some pullback here, do target $2.34. And if we see some consolidation, we allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles and we break 260. Your next target is all the way up at the 1.618 extension at $3.02 for Fantom. And from the current price, that's a juicy gain here of 21%, 22%. Could be much more if you're trading with leverage. Check out my full length tutorial if you'd like to, guys. Let's look at Fantom on the daily. Yeah, see, we're getting really overextended. We're really pumping here, which is normal. In a bull run, you will see coins do this, but hard pumps like this can be followed by a bit steeper corrections. You can see we had a hard pump right here. This was a massive sell-off, but you can see even right here, we had a massive pump here. And we had a correction here of basically 47% for Fantom. So the harder it pumps, usually the harder it corrects, unless what happens here is we pump, we consolidate, and allow the EMAs to catch back up, and we continue pumping here for Fantom. I want to quickly open up Bitcoin, guys. We broke out of our bull flag pattern here. We're currently back testing it as support. If we do hold the EMAs here as support, that's when we can see continuation up to 60K and the price target here of 58.8K. However, guys, there is a bearish divergence. You can see we created a slightly higher high, lower high on the RSI. So if we are going to come back down here for a back test of support, do target 52.8K, and then I would target this area 50.4K previous swing high. We can see here on the long versus short ratio over the last 12 hours, we have seen an increase in short positions. Currently 50.78% are short and 49% are long. You can see on most of the exchanges here, we're seeing an increase in short positions. So do target as a level of support for Bitcoin 52.8K. However, if we do hold the EMAs here, your target from our bull flags up here at 58.8K. We broke out of our falling wedge. We met our target for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been showing incredible strength. So we'll finish the video here with Fantom. I'm going to put it back onto the 4-hour time frame. Do target $2.60 as your next take profit area, your next level of resistance here. Now, if we do see some rollover, I am anticipating that it will come. relatively soon here, whether it's at $2.60 or $3.02, just due to the fact of our bearish divergence here, and we are getting overextended from the EMA, so it would be healthy to see a back test of support. So your support level is 234, and then I would watch the EMAs on the 4-hour as they creep up. If we were to see some harsher sell-off here, I would target your previous all-time high at 195 for Fantom. That's it for Fantom, guys. I hope you guys have been crushing it, whether you're trading or investing in Fantom. Sign up to Bybit. You can check out my full length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. It's getting a bit dark here. Much love. Take care.